Hi guys, this is a review and a test of the Aniann resistor kit. The reason I want to bought this resistor kit because I don't want a particular resistor. I want a bunch of them, a variety of different resistors for my DIY project. This actually including the 64 values, and these actually has a error rate about 1%, ranging from 1 ohm to 10 meg ohm. That's a very broad range. Each value have 20 resistor, so that should be plenty for all my home DIY project. It says it's 1% error, so let's give a test to see if this is real 1% error. I want to go with 100K. This is a 10 ohm. See, oh, this is 1K. So I just randomly pick the three. All right, let's do the quality check. Let's start from 10K ohm. So if 10K ohm, the error should under 100 ohm. Let's see. So this is actually about 1.4%, which is higher than 1% error. So this one technically is fail. This is 10 ohm. If 10 ohm for 1%, the error should be 0.1. So this error is under 1%. This actually right now is 0%. This is good. 1K ohm. Let's see, check 1K ohm. For 1K, the error should under 10 ohm. Error is 16 ohm, which is larger than 10 ohms. So overall you can see, but based on my test, the error is actually under 2%. So I don't think that's mark 1% is fair. They should mark as under 2% error. The other thing I want to mention, the power for this one can stand is quarter watts. So it's still good for most DIY low voltage project. One thing which I don't like is, look at this. I mean, come on, you need to give a bigger package. 1280 resistor, right? That's a lot. You need a bigger container, and this is 2-pack, too small container. I hope they can improve the design for the future. That's my review. Thank you. Bye.